You see what I go on party? Out at door me there. Sun a shine. Sit down right at my doorway. You wanna see? Right at my doorway. See there? My letter box. When the postman come in, just post my letter. Yeah man, right at my doorway me there. Me nah go out the road. Babylon some fit turn on my yard. Me turn on my yard. Turn on my yard. And smoke Guatemala. The good old Star Dog. This one is the good old Star Dog. Behind that, those clot up some white rum. Yeah. You don't know. Good old black buckle with the Guinness. Yeah. Them say that make your blood get strong and seal. So, white rum kill the crocodile flow. And then you drink the Guinness back of that and seal up the thing. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to make you know what I go on. Talk to them for me footer. Make them understand. You see me? Make them turn of them blood clot yard. This is something you no clans. This is one blood clot order. A Red Pan City. Tell them what I go on your footer.
Yeah, Guado.
Anybody I get trouble, I be a PMP them. Them for work with where government are set and go in their yard. All them people are jungle but they're hungry. And we make them hungry. Eh? Them for go in their house but they're hungry. Who make them hungry? Them for lock them up there but they're hungry. Them can't hold them one. We are liberated, we are hold them one. We are work with the thing, you know. As they touch yet, we gone in.
Yeah.
A Red Pan we come from. We are labor right. One order we say. Yeah, and we are work with the system. All if we hungry, we are going to we yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. PMP, we no hungry like dog.
Yeah.